In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Brisbane. If you've received a fine and want to take care of it quickly, paying online is one of the easiest options. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for on each page. To begin, go to the Brisbane City Council website. Once you're on the page, look for the section labeled "On this page." This area helps you jump directly to the information you need without having to scroll through everything manually. From there, click on Pay a Fine. This will take you to the Payment Information section for fines issued through Brisbane City Council. On that page, look for the payment methods available and choose the option marked Online. This is the section that leads you to the digital payment process. Next, click on Pay Your Fine Online. That will open the Brisbane City Council payment service for infringements and payment plans. This is the portal used to process your fine payment securely online. Once you arrive at the payment page, take a moment to review the information shown there. You should see that payments are accepted by Visa and MasterCard. It's a good idea to have your card ready before continuing, along with your infringement notice, so you can enter the details accurately without needing to stop midway. Now select the payment reason from the available options. Make sure you choose the option that matches your notice, since this helps direct the payment correctly. After that, enter your infringement number. This number must be 13 digits, so double check it carefully before moving on. Even a small typing mistake could cause an error or delay. When everything looks correct, click Next. This will take you to the next stage of the payment process. From there, simply follow the prompts to complete your payment. The system will guide you through the remaining steps, which typically include confirming your details, entering your card information, and submitting the payment. As always, take your time and review everything before finalizing the transaction to make sure the information is correct. After the payment is submitted, it's a smart idea to save or screenshot your confirmation page for your records. That way, you have proof of payment if you need it later, and that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Brisbane. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make the